The equals method in Java is used to compare the content of two objects for equality. This method is defined in the object class, which means it is inherited by all classes in Java. However, to effectively compare objects based on their content rather than references, it is advisable to override the equals method in the class whose objects you want to compare. Let's start by implementing two classes, Artist and Music Album, for which we will implement the equals method. Before starting the implementation, we will write tests that will cover our equals methods. In tests, we need the test data that we are currently creating. The first rule is reflexivity. An object should always be equal to itself. The next rule is symmetry. If A equals B returns true, then B equals A should also return true. Another rule is transitivity. If A equals B and B equals C return true, then A equals C should also return true. The next rule is consistency. The result of calling equals should be consistent for two objects that have not changed. It should always return the same result. The last rule is handling null. The equals method should return false if the compared object is null and should not throw an exception. Finally, all we have to do is implement our equals methods according to the guidelines.